Summer is sultry and annoying. Try this circulating fan, 3-speed adjustable with one button, ultra-long air supply distance, non-perforated wall hanging, one-hand install. Enjoy the natural wind, 180-degree wind direction adjustment, cool and spacious. Easily cover larger spaces. Cool and versatile, smooth airflow. Activate the entire house air. Enjoy a refreshing breeze. Satisfy your daily life. Smaller and lighter in size. Easy to carry. Stable placement. Brushless DC model. Light-tone wind operation. Foldable to safe place. Security dense grid. USB charging port. 2 color options.